Hey, what's going on, guys? Cale Myrick with Water's Edge Realty. Welcome to 237 Hawthorne Circle. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, gold fortified home is located in the highly desirable Hawthorne Glen subdivision. This well-maintained home boasts an open, split floor plan and large, soft finish wood trim throughout. The kitchen contains a gas range, and the pantry and closets are equipped with sturdy wood shelving. The fenced-in backyard features a covered back patio that has been extended, making it perfect for entertaining or just relaxing while the kids play. So if you're looking for a great home in a beautiful city, give me a call today for your private tour, 251-504-6134.